thumbnail. What's up? It's your girl Manaya and I am back with another YouTube video. Finally, I know you guys have been waiting like, where is she? What she's been doing? And I know I say this in every video, but listen, I'm a busy girl. Okay, so I did not make this video to explain to you why I don't make videos constantly and why I'm a busy girl. In this video, I'm going to show you how I get my teeth pearly white. Before we get into this video, I just want to say that I'm truly happy to announce that I am a Body by Onyx ambassador. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I just can't wait to share with you guys all the products Body by Onyx is sending me and the reviews and just how I truly feel about them. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. This is the package that it came in, and when you open the package, I had already opened it because I was just so excited and I couldn't wait. I did not unbox it yet, so when you open the package, you have a Body by Onyx activated charcoal teeth whitening powder. Then you also have a Body by Onyx detox bath bomb. Honestly, I cannot wait to use this on a day I just want to relax, take a bath, you know, light some candles. Yeah, girls, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, and today we're going to be using the activated charcoal to get those teeth nice, curly, and white. Ooh, kids, let's just get into this. So let me just read some information for you that is listed on the back. So it whitens your teeth. There's no bleach or harsh chemicals, only the power of activated charcoal. It's ultra fine texture, made from natural ingredients, gentle on teeth and gums, and detoxifies impurities, absorbs the stains from coffee, wine, tea, and more. And this is truly important because, you know, sometimes you be on the run, you need some coffee, and then, you know, coffee stains your teeth, and we want to get rid of that. These are some ingredients. You know, ingredients are truly important. You don't want to put anything in your mouth that you don't even know how to pronounce. Sorry. Okay, so it's activated charcoal, bentonite, clay, Japanese mint. So the instructions is: number 1, dip soft toothbrush in powder. 2, gently brush for 1 to 2 minutes. 3, brush teeth and rinse mouth thoroughly to remove any excess. And 4, use 3 to 4 times a week. Can be used every day as needed. So this is the first time I'm actually using this, and yeah, let's get started. I just want to say that I love the packaging. Body by Onyx, you're doing your thing. So this is it, guys. It's so pretty. I love it. It's pretty messy, guys. Oops. This is the cover. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. And then just so you guys can see what it looks like inside. So I have my damp toothbrush. I'm just going to stick it in and get started. I actually never did this before. This is going to be interesting. Thumbnail. Okay, I'm back, and let me just say I am truly in love, okay? And I'm not just saying this for the video or on Body by Onyx. I'm saying it for myself and for my viewers. I'm 100% honest, and you know, if this was not bomb, I would tell you guys, because I'm all about organic, natural, healthy, and this is organic, okay? And I just want to say, like, my teeth are white, okay? And now, like the package said, you can use it 3 to 4 times a week. It can be used every day as needed. So this is just the first day I'm using this. So imagine if I use this for the rest of the week, which I am. And yeah, I know, it's crazy. Like, as soon as I looked in the mirror in the bathroom in front of the sink, I like seen the white already, and I was just like, oh,
my teeth look so white and pearly. Like I could do a Colgate commercial. You already know.
Listen. Back to Body by Onyx. Okay, so all jokes aside, 100% keeping it real. If I could rate this product 1 through 10, so far I'll rate it a 10. Okay, and like I said, I did not use it throughout the week. It's my first time, but just by the first day I would rate this a 10. I would recommend this product for you guys. So because I love you guys so much, I'm going to give you my promo code, which is Manaya, my first name, and you can get 10% off on the activated charcoal for the teeth and also the bath bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my code right here on the screen and also in the DB, the description box below. I'll also give you guys a link if you guys want to purchase this product and also the bath bomb. Body by Onyx, you're doing your thing. I want to thank you so much for making me your ambassador, brand ambassador. I want to thank you cool kids for being here for me and watching, okay?